channel, I learn colors name. This is a orange color. This is a yellow color. This is a black color. This is a red color. This is a pink color. This is a green color. This is a brown color. This is a light green color. This is a blue color. And this is a purple color. I draw lowercase letter A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Red color. A for airplane. B for banana. C for cow. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for friend. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lamb. M for moon. N for nuts. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for queen. R for ring. S for sun. T for tiger. Uh-oh. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's repeat learn lowercase letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.